Isomerism in alcohols. First of all, you have read the chain isomerism. Alcohols, ये जो chain isomerism है, alcohol is having more four and more than alcohol is having more than एक तो having four and more than four carbon atoms, that is from butanol, and more than four carbon atoms, four carbon atoms. जिन अल्कोहल में चार या चार से ज्यादा कार्बन एटम होते हैं, दे शो द चेन आइसोमेरिज्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इसका मतलब है देयर बी straight chain and branched chain. For example, I will take the butanol. This butanol, butan 1-ol. So if we take the first isomer and second will be this one, 2-methyl butane, 2-methyl propane 1-ol, 2-methyl propane 1-ol. This one. So they have the same molecule formula, but here it is a straight chain, here is the branched chain. So these are chain isomers. So chain isomerism is shown by those alcohols. It starts from the butanol, and there occurs chain. When there occurs branching, it becomes the isomer. And second type of isomerism is the position isomerism. Position means the position of the functional group changes. For example, second isomerism is position isomerism. This occurs from propanol. Propanol से शुरू होता है. For example, I will take the propanol here. This is propanol, and here if we change the position of this functional group at the second carbon atom, this is propane 2-ol. This is normal propyl alcohol, and this is isopropyl alcohol. Here carbon atom, this hydroxyl group is at first carbon, and here it is at second carbon. So position of the hydroxyl group changes here. This is the position isomerism. If we take the butanol, for example, butanol में this is the butanol, normal butyl alcohol, because it is straight chain. If we take this one, here the position, here it was first carbon, here it is at second carbon. So this is the position isomerism. It is butane 2-ol. It was butane 1-ol, here it is butane 2-ol. So this is the position isomerism. That position isomerism is shown by those alcohols which have 3 and beyond 3 and more than 3 carbon atoms. It is normal propyl alcohol because here the position is at first position of the functional group, that is hydroxyl group, is at first carbon, and here position of this hydroxyl group is at second carbon. So these are two position isomers of the propanol, and here this is the butane normal chain hai, straight chain hai. Position is of hydroxyl group is at first, and here the position of the hydroxyl group is at the second. So these are the position isomers. Now third type of isomerism which the alcohols show is the functional isomerism. Isomers having different functional groups but having the same formula. मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल्स जो हैं, मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल्स show functional isomerism with ethers. For example, अगर मैं लूँगा this one group, this is the ethanol है, फार्मूला है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मॉलिक्यूल फार्मूला जो बन गई C2, इसमें है हाइड्रोजन है H6 and O, C2 H326 and oxygen. If we take the ether, for example this one, here functional group is hydroxyl group, here it is divalent oxygen, so it is methoxymethane. Methoxymethane, this is ether. So same having here function formula is C2H6O, but here it is the alcohol, this is the ether, another type of compound. So they are functional isomers having the same formula but different functional groups. Similarly, if I will take this one, this is propanol, normal propyl alcohol, and if we take propanol, so I will write here this one. Here functional group is, this is the ether, this is methoxyethane, this is methoxyethane, or we call it methyl ether. So this is ether, here it is dimethyl ether is in functional isomerism with ethyl alcohol, and here it is ethyl methyl ether or methoxyethane, it is in functional isomerism with propanol. So functional alcohols are in functional monohydrate alcohols show functional isomerism with ethers. Now third type of isomerism, or it is fourth type, this optical isomerism. Alcohols which have chiral carbon, which have chiral carbon, that means stereogenic center जहाँ पर हो, having carbon attached to different groups, chiral carbon, they show optical isomerism. Again I will repeat, those alcohols which have chiral carbon, that means that carbon which is attached to different groups, for different groups they show optical isomerism. For example, I will show the example. This is the carbon, for example, and here it shows the functional it shows the optical isomerism. For example, this one, This is butane 2-ol. This butane 2-ol, it shows the optical isomerism. They are optical isomers. Similarly, for example, another example I will show it here. I will change only the structure here. I will change only here this one. This is another now compound C3H7. This is 1, 2. This is pentane 2-ol. Pentane 2-ol. Now here these are the optical isomers. So alcohols show, first you have read the chain isomerism. Second you have position isomerism via the position of the functional group changes. Third you have they show the functional isomerism with ethers, and those alcohols which have the chiral carbon also show the optical isomerism. So this was the isomerism in alcohols. Preparation of alcohols. How alcohols are prepared? First of all, first preparation of alcohols is we prepare alcohols from alkyl halides. You have read it. Halides. By heating alkyl halides, when alkyl halides are heated with aqueous potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, that is by hydrolysis of haloalkanes, which you call alkyl halides, by hydrolysis of haloalkanes. Students, listen. I will show here the reaction. For example, this is general reaction. This is the general reaction. For example, I have taken the ethyl bromide, bromoethane. And when we heat it with the potassium hydroxide, it gives ethyl alcohol. And potassium bromide. Students, you can also prepare these alcohols. Alcohols are prepared by hydrolysis. एक तो आप hydrolysis कर रहे हैं by potassium hydroxide. You can hydrolyze. They are also prepared by hydrolysis of alkyl halides with moist silver oxide. This comes in the examination. Silver oxide. For example, this is methyl iodide. I have taken methyl iodomethane plus moist silver oxide. That means silver hydroxide gives methyl alcohol plus silver iodide. Now, this is the preparation of these alcohols from alkyl halides, from preparation of alcohols from alkyl halides by hydrolysis of haloalkanes. Students, this is not the satisfactory method for the preparation of alcohols. जो है, I have shown you the preparation of alcohols from alkyl halide, but I will repeat it. This is not satisfactory method. This is not satisfactory method. Why it is not satisfactory method? First, haloalkanes जो हैं, they are themselves prepared. First जो है read it themselves. alcohols जो हैं उनको कहाँ से हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं? वो भी हम कहाँ, they are prepared from alcohols, यानी उनको हम alcohols से बनाते हैं. So first of all, haloalkanes are themselves, जो उनको भी प्रिपेयर किया from alcohols. Number second, in case of higher alkyl halides, alkenes are formed. For example, I will show it here. This is tertiary butyl bromide. If you write it, if you hydrolyze it, potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide से हम इसको hydrolyze करें, so what will be the product? It will form alkenes are formed. KBr या NABr बनेगा. So in case of higher alkyl halides, जब आप higher alkyls देते हैं तो वहां पर आपका जो बनता है, प्रोडक्ट बनता है, that's an alkene is formed, 1,2,2-methyl propene. So this is not the satisfactory method. And if we take, for example, I will take this compound. This isopropyl bromide मैंने लिया. Here alkene will be formed also as a byproduct. Though alcohol is formed, but a byproduct आपका क्या बनेगा? Alkene is बनेगा. Plus, so alkenes बनेंगे यहाँ पर. So I will repeat it again. You have read preparation of alkyl halides from preparation of alcohols from alkyl halides. I have here you have read first they are prepared from alkyl halides, but by hydrolysis of this potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. But here I use it. It is not a satisfactory method because haloalkanes are themselves prepared from alcohols. Number second, in case of higher alkyl halides, if we hydrolyze them if we heat them in presence of potassium hydroxide, alkenes are formed. For example, I have taken here it is 3-methyl. It is 1,2,2-methyl bromo. It is tertiary butyl bromide जो है, या 1,2,3 2-methyl 2-bromo propane. तो इसको हम जो है यहाँ पर आपका alkene बनेगा. It is 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. तो इसी तरह अगर हम isopropyl bromide को लेंगे तो isopropyl alcohol मिलेगा, but here say at the same time as a byproduct propene आपको मिलता है. So this is not the satisfactory method. Now hydrolysis जो process हम कर रहे हैं alkyl halide की. Now primary alkyl halides, अगर आप primary alkyl halides जो हैं, primary alkyl halides इनकी जो हाइड्रोलिसिस है, hydrolysis of primary alkyl halides, that takes place by SN2 mechanism, that means nucleophilic substitution by molecular nucleophilic reaction. You have read it. And tertiary alkyl halides जो हैं halides, अगर इनको हम हाइड्रोलिसिस करें, that takes place by SN1 mechanism. And secondary सेकेंडरी अल्काइल्स, सो इनकी हाइड्रोलिसिस जो होती है दैट विल टेक प्लेस आइदर बाय SN1 or SN2. So primary alkyls, when they are converted to alcohols, it proceeds via SN2 mechanism, and tertiary alkyls, hydrolysis of tertiary alkyls proceeds by SN1 mechanism, and secondary alkyls it can proceed via SN1 or SN2. Now aldehydes and ketones. Preparation of alcohols from aldehydes and ketones by reduction. This is by reduction. So you have to, by reduction of aldehydes and ketones. So reduction of aldehydes and ketones is done first, that means by hydrogen in presence of hydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium or ruthenium. These are the, that means catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation. Or you can take hydrogen, that is ethyl alcohol, in presence of sodium, second reducing agent, because hydrogen will be formed here. Number third, in presence of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. These are the reducing agents. Reduction, hydrogenation of aldehydes ketones, or which is reduction of aldehydes ketones. It can be catalytic hydrogenation, that means hydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium. That's catalytic hydrogenation. Number second, you can take ethyl alcohol in presence of sodium. You get the sodium alkoxide and hydrogen will be formed. And lithium aluminum hydride is the best reducing agent, and sodium borohydride. So this is the aldehyde general formula plus H2. यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे प्लैटिनम, palladium or nickel or lithium aluminum hydride. It will give CH3CH2OH. It will give ethyl alcohol. समझे ना आप? CH3CH, sorry, I have it is or CH2OH plus it gives the alcohol. For example, here I will write it. If you take this is acetaldehyde, I have taken ethanol, acetaldehyde plus H2 hydrogen in presence of this reaction in presence of platinum, palladium or nickel, ruthenium or lithium aluminum hydride. You will get ethanol. Similarly, if we take here this is the propanone I have taken plus hydrogen again. I will show it here. Propanone I have taken will give isopropyl alcohol. So this was the preparation of aldehydes and preparation of alcohols from aldehydes and ketones by reaction. Ketones gives the alcohols.